Hello students, today we are going to start a very interesting exercise in the organic chemistry, that is IUPAC naming, IUPAC names. You must be knowing the full form of IUPAC. I stands for international, U stands for union, P stands for pure, and A stands for applied chemistry. International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, right? So this is the method which is accepted in all over the universe. Like every part of the world will follow the same system, that is IUPAC naming. Fine. So let us start. The very first rule of this is that count the maximum carbon atoms by moving once in one direction. That you have to count maximum carbon atom by moving in one direction, right? Means no repetition on the same track. So if it is the carbon chain, children, so I have two ways to count. So one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By moving left to right, how many carbon I am able to count? 5. One more method is possible, that is I count 1, then I count here 2, then I go up 3, then again I come down, I call it 4, then I call it 5, and then I call it 6. So by moving that way I have counted 6 carbon, but this is the wrong method. Why? Because we went up from 2 to 3, and then again we have come down from 3 to 2, and then again we went straight. This is not acceptable. So what is the method? You move once in one direction. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That is the correct method of counting the carbon atom. Now, second rule is see whether the single bond, double or triple bond is there in the carbon chain. This is called the carbon chain. We have to check whether it's a single, double or triple bond. If single bond is there, right, means single bond means if it is the alkane, then number the carbon chain in such a way that branch carbon atom should get the least number, right? So which is the branch carbon atom, children? The carbon at which other than hydrogen any group is present. Here in this example you have CH3. CH means methyl group, right? Remember, one hydrogen less than methane is methyl, one hydrogen less than ethane, C2H6 is ethyl. So in the second carbon atom, at this carbon atom, CH3 group is present. So how can we number this chain? One method will be we move from left to right. And in that case, what shall I do? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So second carbon atom is a branched carbon atom having the side chain CH3, right? Other method is I go from right to left. And then in that case 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. For 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So if I move from right to left, I am able to give this carbon, which is basically a branch carbon atom, number 4. So that is not correct, because according to rule we have to give the least number to the branch carbon atom. So which method is correct? Left to right, in which the second carbon atom is having the what? Branching. Branching means other than hydrogen any other group is present. So they are the two basic rules of hydrocarbon, naming of IUPAC naming, right? Then next rules I will tell you in the next video. Thank you.